Hello, welcome back. All right, in this video we're going to do a cutoff whip with an inside underarm turn. Cutoff whip, all right? So let's do a basic first, two-hand hold position. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Okay? And so you go right into the next basic break step, 2, 3, and so forth, get out of that. So what we're going to do now is take it from a different angle, all right? So from here, we have 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Cool? All right, so knowing that we're going to do a different angle here, notice that as I go into a break step to start this off, I'm going away or I'm going toward her on both of those. So you can do either or, gentlemen, and that's in your private lesson style video. I just want to let you know the difference of what you're seeing. So from here, I'm going to back up just a tad and over. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Okay? And you see how that's working, yes? So I'm kind of getting out of a track and get back in the track, allowing that cutoff whip to come into play. So what I want you to do is go practice. Stop the video, go back, rewind, and if you need more information, like I said, go to the private lesson style videos. Those will help out a lot. All right? See you back in a moment.